just walked in. I'm hearing voices and dripping. So I'm going to turn on my camera. I don't know what the sounds are, but hopefully there's nothing like damage. Alright, so I'm going to go see what's dripping in the women's restroom. It sounds like it's coming from there. But I just heard voices a few minutes ago. I don't know where. So the water is running in the sink. Again, a common occurrence. I'm going to do an EVP session using my camera. Is there anybody in here with me? I heard voices. Let's check the men's restroom, make sure that water's not running. If you're here, can you say something that can be picked up on the concession camera or my camera phone? These can record voices. We'll be able to hear you. When I first walked in, I didn't hear that water running. Went into the office, heard it from there. So I don't know if I just wasn't listening for it and it was on, or it came on after I sat down. I'll play this back too, because I swear when I heard that water, I heard voices, almost like a conversation. Now the water could have been sounding like a conversation. But that's not, it sounded like people actually talking to each other. So I'll review this later. I got to get back to work. When I go back into the office, if you want to turn that water back on, or you would like to speak to me, please do so. All right, we're going to go back and check. What? Someone turned the water on. Someone other than me.